It is really wonderful to be speaking to the finalists, not only the finalists, but also the winner of Pitch Your Business 2024, Hlali Sefika. So, well done.
Thank you very much, Lucky. It's been quite a lengthy journey, but it is something that we have looked forward to, and it's been quite what I would call a team effort.
How's your family feeling about this achievement?
More excited than even I am. They've drowned out all the energy that I've had in me. I mean, it's been a semi-sleepless night, if I could say the least about it, yeah.
What are some of the challenges that you have faced putting this together? Not only just for the competition, but the business idea that God placed in your heart.
It's been about having to deal with converting what is in one's mind as far as the vision is concerned. And it has been about pressing as close as possible to what you see in your head versus to what is already in the world. And so with that, it's been through a series of successive failures over time. I think this is basically our third pivot. But you know, as to what they say, that the third time is a charm when you are actually dealing with all manners of factors of lives, even with challenges. I believe that holds true.
I think it was Arnold Schwarzenegger who said something, or Sylvester Stallone who said something to the effect that the 100th time is the charm.
Yeah. That
you have to fail 100 times before you get it right.
I think it was Sylvester in Rocky, I believe, and to running up the stairs. And I believe with that, failure for me has been part of molding scalpel for me, and it's one that has chipped away at that clay before it gets to harden. And in that context, I've just taken it to a point that at this point in time, we are ready with whatever it is that the world can throw at us. And I say we many times rather than even I, because I've grown up with that mentality that wherever we go, we take things as a team.
Wow.
And being that what I understand what business is, you want to see an individual in front of you here, but it is always a team effort and a team spirit. And it is one that I've even taken it as far as to what the meaning of what this competition has born for me. It is something that I had to even bring home, being that it's a birthday gift for my brother.
Wow.
As I said, it was his birthday 2 days ago, and I just felt like so strongly about it.
I am sure you are grateful to the Northwest University. What do you want to see in the next 3 years of this business?
First and foremost, I would really like to thank to express my gratitude to the partners, being the TBN, Northwest University, IM Youth, and Radio Pulpit. They really came through at a time where we thought, things were quite bleak, to be honest. And it's something that it showed that in this effort where people have felt that, you kind of just talking, you're just talking fairy tales. And from that point of view, with what it is that we've seen and taking it forward, an institution like the NWU and an initiative like your Pitch Your Business 2024 has proven to us that our vision and our dreams are actually valid in the real world to actually help people.
Wow.
And so in what it is that we see in the next 3 years, it is actually building a journey or carving out a path for ourselves to becoming one of Africa's most progressive consumer groups that we could actually be starting from where we are right now.
Wow, well done, dear sir.
Thank you very much.
As I'm speaking to you, I can't help but think, just add water. I'm sure it's going to be one of the things that, or one of the slogans of the business.
Indeed, the actual slogan of the business is Bake, Munch, Smile, because we believe that, as I'd even said in the pitch, we want to make baking great again. I know that has been a fiery allusion from another slogan we shall not mention, but making baking great again is even, when you distill it down to what is simplified, is that, when you put together what is supposed to be simple in a format of what baking is supposed to be, and generally the enjoyment of food, is that you're supposed to bake, man, smile when you're done. And what simpler way is it for you to do by just adding water?
Yeah.
It's that simple, but sometimes is that the best ideas actually come from the most simplest of concepts, but it's underestimated how long and how hard it takes for you to complete the journey of what that concept could be.
Hlali, congratulations.
Thank you very much. It's been quite a wonderful interview, and I'm actually just looking forward to what's following ahead of us.